Hey guys, taking the time to get down to my mat, taking my tools out, things that protect me. When I'm feeling a little frazzled, I like to just sit and chill. I used to like to smoke pot a lot to sit and chill, but now I'm trying to change those patterns and behaviors because I found myself relying on it too much, and it doesn't serve me in a way that I thought that it did. I still love the medicine. I still love the plant. I still like to indulge every now and then. But instead of that being my go-to, getting a little bit more discipline in my life and knowing that I have the tools inside to shift my feelings and to shift my thoughts and my emotions. One of the things I like to do is to root down and tune in with my sound bowl. So I invite you to join me in settling and rooting and feeling safe and secure in the body that we are in the vessel that we are in the body that we have been given. So find a tall seat, rooting your sits bones down into the ground, nice tall spine, shoulders are down and back, pulling up on that pelvic floor and that mula bandha. Crown reaches to the sky, feeling tall and length. Feeling your breath rise and fall. Maybe closing your eyes or taking a soft gaze. And dropping into your root chakra, Muladhara. The color is red and the bija sound is lam. And know when you're tuning into this chakra that you can feel supported and safe. And when this chakra is out of balance, we oftentimes feel fearful and afraid and grasping. So I invite you now to close your eyes and tune in to the sound of the root chakra, Muladhara. Feeling your breath rise and fall. Visualizing the color red. Maybe repeating an affirmation, I am safe. I am secure. I am supported. And breathing it in and knowing that it is so. Becoming aware of any thoughts or feelings or emotions that might come up for you and allowing them. And then allowing them to pass. Staying here for a few more rounds of breath. Take a nice big breath here. Slowly open your eyes. Look around your room and your environment. Bring yourself back to where you are. Observe everything that's around you. Notice things of pleasure. Maybe stop on something that catches your eye. And breathing into it. And feeling that nice shift in your body and your mind. To now go on through your day to feel more vital and more healthy and vibrant. Sat Nam. Thank you.